how to fix TikTok shop not showing in your TikTok application. First of all, let's see where is TikTok shop. First of all, open your TikTok application, and if you go in the profile page, you will see the three lines on the top right corner. Select that and then select creator tools. Your TikTok shop features is placed here. If you don't see here, then what you need to do is first of all go back and then open the app store and then type TikTok. And then search if there is any update available in TikTok application. If there are any, then hit on update. Once it gets updated, your TikTok shop will be shown in your TikTok application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.